A minor to what would this? E minor. So you do an A minor and then E minor. E minor. So you're doing these really fast licks, but you're also following the chord changes too, which is just two simple things kind of, well, you know, if you practice them put together, and then, you know, the theory of like figuring out the bag of tricks, filling up your bag of tricks and stuff you can do with the pentatonics, and the ability to switch shapes with the chords and put those together, and that's all you need, you know. You come up with these really cool licks on the spot as you're jamming, as opposed to like, oh, I learned this really fast lick. I hope there comes a time when I can use it on the song. You know what I mean? Like, because when you learn a lick from a song, it's over certain chords, and it's like, you learn it, and then you're like, oh, okay, hopefully a time comes up when I can use that. You know, more like a monologue than a conversation. You know, like if you learned someone's monologue and you went up and talked to somebody and you started saying this thing you memorized and learned, that conversation is not going to go well, right? But if you come up and you're coming up with new stuff and you're jamming with them, talking about stuff, they say something, you say something back. That's how a conversation works in the moment. So that's kind of how improvising works. So you want to set yourself up with things like tools like that, or thought processes that allow you to kind of create stuff as you go.
Yeah.
I don't know if that answered the question, but I just kind of went off.